Okay students, after possessive adjective we are going to learn about degree of comparison. Degree of comparison is that when we use adjectives to compare, adjective words to compare two or more people, place or thing, at that time we use this degree of comparison. Okay, we use degree of comparison where we can use adjective words to compare two or more people, place or thing, and for that we use this means degree of comparison. In this there are 3 degrees: positive. In these 3 degrees are there: positive, comparative and superlative. Okay, in this we have 3 type of degree: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. In positive degree now we means when we describe about a singular thing or singular noun with a descriptive adjective, like the means the this is a horse, so this will become a positive degree. This is a horse. Horse is a singular word and we don't compare it with anyone, so it is a positive degree. Okay, in this word, like this is a horse, we don't compare this horse with anyone, so it is a singular noun. Otherwise, like the term test was tough. So here the term test means जो हमारी मंथली टर्म एग्ज़ाम होती है ना, FA1 FA2, so that term exam was tough. So here the word tough is adjective word and it is showing about the singular noun, so this is positive degree. Okay, so if I want to compare them, so I can say means in positive degree it is a singular noun which don't compare with anyone. In comparative degree we compare between the two people, only two people or place or thing. Okay, and in superlative now we compare more than two people, more than two place, more than two things, means more than 2. Okay, so we at that time we use the superlative degree. So now if I want to compare between the two, so I will write that the deer is shorter than horse. So here I compare the deer with the horse, so this is comparative degree. Why it is comparative degree? Because I am comparing only two animals, deer and horse. And when we are when we are unable to understand whether it is superlative or comparative, we have to just see that when we are writing when we want to know about comparative degree now, always this word than comes after the word which we are using as a comparative adjective. After that dash na, this word then comes in that sentence. When then comes means they are comparing only two person or two people or two thing, and it means that it is a comparative degree. Okay, like here the quarterly exam means which test? Our SA1 was tougher. Now here tougher means it was little bit more hard than this term test exam. So tougher, then here I am using the word then. After that comparative adjective I am using here the word then comes. So this is the comparative degree. Okay. So in this way you can understand whether it is comparative or superlative. So if the after the word comparative word or adjective word which is used After that, if the word then comes, so it is a comparative degree. Okay, it is in comparative degree we always compare between the two people or two place or thing, but only two, and because of that the word then comes in that sentence. Okay, so now superlative. Now superlative in comparative degree mostly er is used to show from positive to comparative. Na we mostly use er, like good to better, better, best, tall, taller, tallest, short, shorter, shortest, long, longer, longest, funny, funnier, funniest. So we mostly use er in comparative degree. Okay, after comparative degree we are going to see about the superlative degree. Now here the deer is shorter than horse. Here we have compared the two persons, two animals. But superlative means सबसे ज़्यादा या more than 3 people और more than 2 से जितने भी ज़्यादा होते हैं, like cleverest student in the class, यानी सबसे clever. So here the dog is the, listen, see here students, the always comes before the superlative adjective, that is the dog is the shortest, then of the 3 animals. Which are the 3 animals? The dog, deer and horse. Among 3, which is the shortest one? Dog. So the word shortest just before the comes. Always remember, before superlative degree na, this the comes before the word adjective which we are going to use for superlative degree na. Before that the word the comes. Okay. Then the final examination was the toughest of all. So first it was tough, then it became tougher, and in the last it became the toughest. So before toughest which word comes here? The. This shows the superlative degree. Okay. So in superlative degree we compare about more than 2 people or more than 2 person or more than 2 things. 2 से ज़्यादा जब हम चीज़ों को कंपेयर करते हैं, at that time we use superlative degree. In this we mostly use est. Okay, like shortest, tallest, saddest, biggest, oldest, eldest. Est we use in this word. Okay, with adjective word we use est, and to show that it is superlative the word the is always used before the adjective word. Okay, so this was the degree of comparison.